Hello, my name is Sarah and I'm an Internet Explorer, and today we're going to be making magic candles. Materials we're going to be using for the magic candles today is this pan, preferably a pot pan, but it's okay if you don't have that. A lighter, ask a guardian for help, or an adult. Some candles, 2 candles, some clay or Play-Doh, a glass cup, and some water. Now we put the clay in the middle of the tray, or the wax, or Play-Doh, whatever you're using, and then we're gonna stick the candles. We're gonna stick the candles inside the wax, and then we're gonna pour some water into the tray. And then we're gonna light the candles. Make sure to ask an adult. Put the glass over the candles. The air inside is going to warm and expand, causing bubbling, and all the outside air pressure is going to move all the water up the glass. Now that we're done making the magic candles, I hope you guys can try this at home. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.